Rose family, it's your girl Serenity Rose, and we're back with another video. And as you guys can tell by the title, we're going to be doing my June Boxycharm base box unboxing and try on style demo type of way. So I got my box right here, and before we get into the demoing portion, I'm going to show you guys what I got in my box and give you the price, and then we can move on to the application. So they put a Purlisse like info card in here because one of the products is from Purlisse, and then they put a Kylie Skin like $5 off coupon thing in here. So if you want to get something from Kylie Skin by Kylie Jenner, just use the code BOXY5. So talking about that, the first thing in the box is from Kylie Skin by Kylie Jenner. It is the foaming face wash. This is what the packaging looks like. Super pretty. 100% my aesthetic. I love it. And this is what the actual product looks like. You do get a fair amount. It's a 5 fluid ounce bottle, which seems pretty good. I'm pretty sure it's pretty expensive. This product costs $24, which is not bad because I thought Kylie Jenner would have been a bit more expensive, but that's pretty decent. Next is the Purlisse product. This is the Perfect Glow BB Cream. It has SPF 30 in it, and it looks like this. They sent me the shade Light Medium. And this is more than the Kylie Skin foaming face wash. This is $35. That's intense for a BB cream. I would only pay like $20 and up for a high-end foundation, not a BB cream. So there's that. Next is something from Artist Couture. This is the Diamond Glow Powder, and mine is in the shade Illuminati. This is what the packaging looks like, and this retails for $27, which is kind of pricey, but stay tuned for my final thoughts on it to see if it's worth it or not. Okay, next is something from QMS Medi Cosmetics. This is their lip line corrector, and you will never guess how much this cost. And I'm pretty sure this was a past Boxycharm like item. This little thing right here costs $200. And if you thought you heard me wrong, listen, this costs $200 for 15 milliliters or ml of product. Like, this better make my lips look like they're heaven sent for $200. I would never pay $200 for something. Hell no. Anyways, onto the next product. The next product is from First Aid Beauty. This is the KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub with 10% AHA. And this is what it looks like. It's a pretty decent like tube, like it's the size of my face. It comes with 114 grams of product, which is 4 ounces, which is pretty decent. So as far as the demoing portion, I can only try the highlighter and the BB cream. So if you want to see how that worked out, then just keep on watching. Okay, so the first product that I'm going to be using from the Boxycharm box is from Purlisse. This is the Perfect Glow BB Cream SPF 30. It says that it's oil-free, moisturizing, natural-looking coverage, and matte meets glowy finish for all skin types, even sensitive. And this is in the shade Light Medium. It does come with a nice little seal. Probably shake it before I open it. I was going to pour some onto my sponge and then blend it out that way. And this definitely looks like it's going to be too light for me. So that is definitely too light, bro. Oh, hell no. I'm going to mix in some of my MAC foundation because this is way too light. But it does feel pretty lightweight. It smells pretty good. So this is definitely a bit too light. I will give you the rest of my thoughts at the end. Last but not least is the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder. This is a loose powder highlight in the shade Illuminati. This is what the packaging looks like. Pretty cute. It's like a black with white marble. And this is what the actual product looks like. Black cap, you know, pretty cute. And let's see what this bad boy looks like. It does come with a nice little lid thing that I'm assuming that you twist. Okay, so I poured a little out into the cap. And I'm going to use my regular highlighter brush, which is the Airway Studio F19 brush. And I've heard these are like intensely pigmented, so I'm going to attempt to go in with a light hand. That is really pretty. And I think this goes perfectly with my skin tone. So I'm just gonna finish everything off. Basically, I just have to set my face down and press the setting spray in, and then I'll be back with my final thoughts on everything from the box. Okay, so my final thoughts on everything, I really only got 2 makeup products that I can try in the video. So for the Purlisse BB cream, from what I used, it seemed pretty lightweight and okay, but again, this was way too light for me, which is super disappointing. So I'm probably just gonna pass this along to my sister, or maybe I could use it for concealer, but I have a crap ton of concealer, so do I really need a big tube of it? No. And the Artist Couture highlighter, when I was applying it, I definitely saw the glow like in person. I'm not sure if it really picked up on camera, but overall it is really super pretty and super blinding. And once you set your face down and press it into the skin, it looks a lot more natural. And this color suits me really, really nicely. Let's speak about the other 3 products that I didn't get to use. So I have the QMS Medi Cosmetics Lip Line Corrector. It's a lip serum. This thing is $200, which is ridiculous. So I'm definitely gonna try to use it, because if it's $200, it has to work, right? It has to work. Next, I got the First Aid Beauty Pump Eraser Body Scrub with 10% AHA, safe for sensitive skin, which is me. And that's what that looks like. I'm gonna have to use this when I take a shower, and I will try to keep you guys updated down below in the description bar. And last but not least, I got the Kylie Skin by Kylie Jenner Foaming Face Wash. I will give it to them for packaging. Is super pretty. This is like my aesthetic to a T, like ombre, nude, pink, soft and girly. So yeah, I'm super excited to try that. But overall, if I had to rate this box on a scale of 1 to 10, I would give it like a 8. I think I got a pretty fair amount of good stuff. The 2 products that I did get to try, I really loved one. I didn't really like the other one, so there. But overall, like out of the 5 products put together, I think the box is pretty decent compared to what the boxes have been. So on that note, I hope you guys enjoyed. I know it was super short and quick, but again, I could only try 2 products. So if you did enjoy, drop a thumbs up, comment down below, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We do have a 500 subscriber giveaway coming up. I know you guys think I forgot, but I haven't. I just been super busy trying to edit all of these pre-recorded videos that I have, and yes, so yeah, and I'm also trying to figure out what to put into the giveaway. I don't want to just do another gift card. I think I want to do a small amount on a gift card and then like a really big palette. I can't incorporate complexion products because I don't know who's going to win. I don't know if they're going to be light skin, medium tone, dark skin, you know what I mean? So yeah, that's where I'm at with that, and I will make a separate video for the giveaway really, really soon. So stay posted. You gotta hit that subscribe button. And I hope you guys are having an amazing day or night wherever you are, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.